Okay, everyone. So before we get into editing, I just want to remind you how important with any editing program that you're going to use, it is to make sure that you keep things organized. So here I've got two folders on the desktop, and these kind of symbolize folders that you would have probably somewhere else. So here I've got a folder called Time Arts. This folder should actually be on an external hard drive. If you're using a laptop in particularly, there's not going to be very much space. So having that on your external drive is going to make sure that you don't fill up all the space on your internal hard drive on your laptop. So I'm going to go into this and then I'm going to create a new folder, and on the Mac I just can right click and hit new folder, or Command Shift N will do that as well. And I'll name this video project. And everything that I'm going to have and need for my video project I'm going to put in this folder. So I'm just going to double click to open that up. And then Command Shift N again on the Mac, I'm going to create three folders. The first one I'm going to name video. The next one, or video, let's change that, video. The next one I'll name audio. And then the third we'll name stills or images. Okay, and you can just do this however you want, but these are going to be the main things that you would use in a video project. And since I have video, I'm just going to open up that video folder right there, and then this would be your SD card, or however you got your videos off of your phone or whatever. I'm just going to take all these and drag them over to the video folder. This might take a little bit more time on if you're actually moving things from an SD card onto the desktop. All right, now that we've got that set, we're ready to actually edit.